That's the thing, is just having a little bit of empathy goes a long way. All right, JP Moto AZ, riding for 6 months now, every day, 7 days a week to work. If I'm not going 75 plus on the freeway and 50 on the road, I feel like going crazy. How slow everything feels. Does anyone feel this way? Yeah, that's fine. I mean, 75 plus on the freeway, you know, it depends on, you know, if that's what it is. And I'm pretty sure you're in Phoenix, so everyone drives way faster. You just have to go with this flow of traffic. 50 on the road. So the thing is, it might not be that the speed is the factor when it comes to you, JP Moto AZ. It might be the fact, and I'm just assuming here because it's a lot like what I do, is that I feel safer and more confident when I'm ahead of other vehicles, because I don't like having other vehicles in front of me, because I learned this is because of total stopping distance, following distance, all those things, is that I already understand that it's pretty unsafe, and you have, motorcycling is unsafe in that aspect, where you have to find all these different things, and it allows me to relax a little more when I have open road in front of me, because I'm not having to deal with total stopping distance and following distance. I just have to look for debris on the road. So I removed roadway users from my vision, and all I have to do now is worry about road hazards. So I'm assuming, I'm projecting, I guess, that onto JP Moto AZ. And the thing is, only way, and this is where it comes back to cognitive behavioral therapy when it comes to me, the only way I can really figure out if that is the case for me is by going out on a ride and having that awareness, so that when I get people away from me, I see if that really is the case. And then I get in people in front of me and I try to figure out why I feel a little more anxious during that moment versus being in the open road. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that there are cars, and I know that cars are dangerous, and I know that they have cooties, so I try to stay away from them. They're landmines, all these different things. So if that's the case and cars are the problem for me when I'm riding, and my only solution is to speed, that puts me in a bad spot. That is a solution that creates another problem. Much like if you have depression, you start drinking alcohol to self-medicate, well, now you have a different problem with alcohol. The best way to do it is whatever works best for you, but I think there is a way to feel more comfortable with traffic if you have more in the skill set of swerving and braking, positioning, vision, and that's the path I go. Okay. I'm hoping that's the case. I think there's more nuance with it, and I think there's a lot of psychology when it comes to motorcycle riding and how you feel safety-wise and why you do it in the first place. And that's just what I'm coming from. But thank you for the question. Guys, I'm going to start doing more. When you guys do a super chat or anything like that, please, please, please write a question, because those are the ones that I can see really quick and I can answer those. Okay. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Feel better on the open road away from crazies we have here on the roads. Definitely work on my skills. Thanks for the reply. And who knows, maybe I'm wrong, but you know, that's my initial thought. I appreciate the super chat. I really do.